What do you say, people? Back with a bang. How to make $100,000. It's Financial Friday. We're going to break down just exactly how you can make $100,000. Create a product or service. Sell 10,000 $10 products. Sell 1,000 $100 products. Sell 100 $1,000 products or services. Six figures is closer than you think. Just break it down. So, obviously, it's not as easy as it sounds. But like I said, six figures is closer than you think. Many people think they have to work for 100,000 hours or, work 12 hours a day for 7 weeks straight just to get, a few thousand. Some people think they have to work 72-hour weekends, and I know there's no literal 72-hour weekends, but you know what I'm saying. People think they have to work all sorts of hours just to get that money. And this is, how the words hard income usually come about. But why have I split this, $100,000 up into this way? Well, if you actually create a product or service and you sell enough of them, you will actually get to $100,000. It's going to take consistency. It's going to take, maintaining your level, maintaining a price, but it's definitely possible. So for myself, for example, I have a watch brand, Time Gear watches. This here is the Time Gear Action. It sells for $90. So how many would I need to sell to get to $100,000? Well, I need to sell about 1,111. And I'd have $100,000. Selling 1,000 of these sounds crazy. But then think to yourself, how many, watch brands, I don't know, let's say Rolex, Apple Watches, Samsungs, Patek Philippe's, all sorts, Garmin, Fitbit, they sell 1,000 watches like that, probably worldwide in a few hours. $100,000. Yeah, it's literally that simple. Obviously, I'm nowhere near that level. But again, it's possible. All you need, is a $100 bill. People give you $100 bills back to back to back. Buying a watch. Again, it can be anything. And then there's your money. That's it, 100,000. What else? Well, for example, today, I worked my 3-hour session, got paid $105. Got my check, got my money, $105. So, $105 to get to 100,000, how many times would I have to give that 3-hour session? 950 times? 950 times? Well, I've already done one, just 949 left. 3 hours, well, split in a day. Let's say I do 3 sessions in a day. That's 3 sessions in a day. That's already $315. And if you continuously do that, over a period of time, it could be 6 months, a year, 2 years, 5 years, however long it takes, depends what you're selling. It's very possible to get to $100,000. Look, the higher the price, the less you have to sell. But probably, the harder it is to sell. The lower the price, the easier it is to sell, but again, the more units you'll have to move. But it depends what you do. The things I'm doing are in the $100 price range. If you do $1,000 products or services, you only need to sell 100 of them. Can you imagine? Only 100. If you do $1,000 service, you only need to sell 100 times, 100 units to get where you want to. That's it. Six figures is way closer than you think. You just have to break it down. And it goes for anything you want to do. And now we're not talking profit here, we're just talking solely making the 6 figures. Obviously, if I, pay $70 to get everything, I need per session, and obviously that's expensive, so it's not actually that case. And I go out and teach a session and get, $105 in a session, but I paid $70. Obviously, I'm only profiting $35. I'm not profiting $105. But here I'm talking about making $100,000, just in general. So understand that. It's not profiting $100,000, it's making $100,000. And that's usually the number, people want to hear. 6 figures, you make 6 figures. And it's not about, you can earn $300,000 and spend $300,000, spend $350,000. I understand that. You can earn $30,000 and save $10,000. Obviously, who's in a better situation? The person who makes $30,000 and saves $10,000. But in general, just for this video, I'm talking about overall making six figures. It's way closer than you think. So that's it for today's video, guys. Check out other videos on this channel. Tomorrow's the weekend. It's Saturday. Weekend is where winners are made. But I've got money to be making. See you guys tomorrow for another video. Peace.